In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Google account phone number. In case you lost your phone number, you can simply update to another recovery phone number on your Google account in just a few simple steps. To do this, head into your Google account. Tap on these 3 lines. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. On the Settings page, tap on this first option and head into your Info, Privacy, and Security. You will then have to slide to the Security tab. Inside the section of how to sign into Google, select the second last option of Recovery Phone Number. You then have to first enter your password to verify if it's you. On this page, you can either delete your recovery phone number by tap on this delete icon, or just tap on the edit icon to change to another number. You will then tap right here to enter your new phone number and then after click on update. Your newly added number will get updated as your recovery phone number successfully. Your phone number will be used for security purposes, such as helping you get back into your account if you ever forget your password. That's how easy it is to change to another phone number on your Google account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.